Welcome. Welcome back, YouTube. It is Saturday. We have been busy all day long. We got the rest of the lean-to cleaned up, well, most of the rest of the lean-to cleaned up and put on my car trailer, and then unloaded it and picked up my aunt's Suburban. It has sat for a little over a year and it is grimy. I need to do some front end rebuilding on it for her, but we're going to wash it first so it's nice and clean. Picked up another snapper for Nikki's snapper collection. We now have 3, none of which are running currently, because one has a motor but is locked up, and we took the motor off the other one, and this one didn't come with a motor. It's a newer version, but still a nice little snapper. But anyways, the lean-to is almost gone, and we are going to rebuild it out of tin because it's where I'm going to store my Bronco and the kids' outdoor stuff. I'll get a close-up of how dirty this thing is on this side where there's more light. You can see it's got nice paint under it. Her uncle rebuilt it, new motor, transmission, and I don't know how long ago that was, but the frame is still clean as hell. It's a nice old Suburban, but we'll get her washed and see what's wrong with it. We'll probably get a time lapse of washing it because it's so dirty. Nikki's getting the hose drug out. Bo's just walking around. So, it's even got the barn doors. Awesome. Well, we'll get unloaded and start washing it. Have a good rest of your day.
Bye.
Don't even look like the same vehicle. We washed it, hand waxed it. No more slimy, grimy Suburban. Now we're going to pull it into the garage and jack up the front end and see what parts are loose. One of my favorite things about this is the Pacific body kit on the bottom. It has hidden running boards behind those. When Nikki gets out, you'll see them. Look at the shine off of that thing. Earlier it looked like it came out of a damn swamp. That's what happens when a vehicle sits underneath of a tree for very long though. Uh-oh. He doesn't care, he's not scared at all. Whatever. Make sure you can still open your door when you stop. So you actually probably want to go in as far as I told you earlier. A little more. That'll work. Okay, now watch when she opens the door, you'll see there's running boards underneath this body kit. It's got the wood trim. They don't make them like this anymore. I'd really like to find one for myself without the body kit. But look, there's a hidden running board in there, and it's got courtesy lights built in. They don't really work anymore, I'm sure, but it's pretty cool. Oops. They don't make them like that anymore. I mean, they have their own taste, their own flavor nowadays, obviously, like any other thing, but I suppose we'll see what's loose in the front end and go from there. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Okay, well, we brought home the 99 Suburban a few days ago. Washed it, waxed it, and been trying to figure out what the problem in the front end is. Did a little test driving, and then I brought her in, put her on stands, and come to find out it's the transfer case. So when you throw her in gear, it slaps. When you throw it in reverse, it slaps. And on the highway, it sounds like a chain dragon. So we're gonna have to crack that open and see how that goes. That's disappointing. I was hoping it was something simple, just like a ball joint or a wheel bearing. Nope. Oh well. We'll get torn into it and see what the problem is. Hopefully it can be rebuilt. If not, these transfer cases are fairly cheap for a rebuilt one online. I suppose we'll check back in. I know I don't get enough video of this shit. I don't get enough on YouTube, but I'm trying, dang it. Got so much going on, I need to get it prioritized. So, if anyone has any advice on organizing your life, I'd be more than willing to listen. Maybe a day planner. I don't know, maybe use my smartphone features. Something. We'll get her figured out and we'll get more video going. I know once we get our GoPros, I think we're gonna get 4K. And once we get our GoPros, I don't know, 1080p, high definition, 4K, something, we'll have more footage, because I know the footage on this sucks, and the way I have to do it right now is edit videos on the gallery feature on my laptop, because I'm not too computer savvy, but I have a video program and some video cameras I want to buy that should really improve the quality of recording and the quality of video I can make. But for now, that's what we're working with. I just need to get off my butt and try to get a video a week produced for you guys. So, if you've watched any of my videos, thank you. If you've made it to the end of any of my videos, I would love it if you'd like it, subscribe it, and leave some constructive criticism. What do you want to see more of? What do you want to see less of? I'm dirtier than hell. Damn. Working on Chevy though. So, it's time for me to start working out for the evening. Hit the old heavy bag, some light weights, some hand weights, and then I'm gonna go to bed.